So we are playing Sink the Ship. The red team looks good in ready position. Orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Nice job.
Ready? Set, go!
Trying to throw or roll the balls and knock down the other team's pin. Throwing or rolling. The scooters are the lifeboats, and they are helping their team, bringing them the balls. You can step, yep, that's fine. You can step off with 1 foot. As long as, oh, and there's a nice chain, making a chain. Good teamwork. And the purple scooter is bringing balls to the purple ship. Oh, and the orange team's ship went down, so now they're going to the island. And they have to do 10 exercises together on the island. Now they get to come back and stand up all their pins and try again. There's a good chain. Yeah, hold on. Let's see you get some balls. Good defense with the hands up. Nice job. Collecting the balls. Helping the team, helping his team. Nice job. That's how we play Sink the Ship.